mga higala, again, I'm Mitch, and for today, we will be making Sansrival, okay? This is one of my favorite cake. So, I have here the ingredients. I have the meringue, and I have the French buttercream ingredients. For the meringue, I have egg whites, granulated white sugar, cream of tartar, and my pistachio nuts, okay? And then for the buttercream, I have the flecha butter, water, granulated white sugar, egg yolks, and my vanilla extract. Let's start. In your mixer, whip your egg white together with your cream of tartar. Your cream of tartar, it will make your egg white more stable. The recipe, guys, mamaya i-post namin. You scroll down below, nandun yung recipe. Okay? Whip the egg white first and the cream of tartar until frothy. Okay? Or medyo soft pick na siya. And then after that, slowly add your granulated white sugar. Guys, the smaller the sugar, the better the meringue. That's why yung iba, they have castor sugar or they're using castor sugar. But if walang castor sugar kasi mahal, you can food probe or i-food process mo si table sugar niyo para magpino siya. Okay? And then I have here pistachio nuts. If you find pistachio nuts too expensive, go to peanuts or you can use almonds or any. If you want nuts, you can go to Sweet House Baking Supplies. Kompleto kami ng nuts. From peanuts to pistachio to pecans to walnuts. So again, let's whip na. Yan, that's the frothy stage. So once frothy, slowly add your sugar. Huwag mo ihulog, diretso. And then, let's whip this one until stiff but not dry. Kailangan glossy. Yan. So, this is, ouch. This is your stiff pick stage. Okay? See, it's still glossy. Kailangan hindi siya over-whip. Or, hindi na siya mahulog sa bowl. Okay? Actually, you call this one French meringue. Kasi we also have Swiss and Italian. Okay? And then, we will fold our nuts. Guys, make sure you toast your nuts or binake mo siya before mo siya gamitin for baking. Okay? Para yung oil, wala na. We will bake this one below 300 for about 1 to 2 hours. Okay? Divide natin to into, I think, 3 disc. I have here baking paper. Do not use wax paper, baking paper. And then I have here my Sansrival molder. Para pantay yung bilog. If you don't have the Sansrival molder or the ring, you can pipe it. Mabilis to gawin, but matagal lutuin. Yan. So, after spreading the meringue sa cookie sheet, you bake your meringue around 250, basta below 300 degrees Fahrenheit. Why? Kasi ayaw natin yung meringue na masunog. So, Make sure na below 300. If you cannot get the below 300 degrees, i-open mo konti yung door. Like that. So, I bake my meringue sa malaking oven. Kasi malaki yung cookie sheet ko kanina. So, I have 3 days. Your meringue cannot wait, guys. So, dapat mabilis yung kilos. Okay? So, in a matter of ilang minutes, kasi French meringue siya. So, a matter of ilang minutes, magdi-deflate yan agad. So, you bake it 1 to 2 hours. So, balikan natin later. And then, let's do the French buttercream. Okay? Since our meringue is done already, let's make the French buttercream. Okay? So, for the French buttercream, in your saucepan, let's make a syrup. Mix your water and your sugar. Okay? Again, let's make a syrup. Combine your water and your sugar. Tapos, paabutin natin siya ng 250 degrees Fahrenheit. And then, for the meantime, your egg yolk and your vanilla extract will go to your mixer. Guys, if naalala nyo yung Italian meringue ko, it's actually similar. The difference lang is that instead of egg white yung nandito, it's the egg yolk. Same process that we will be making syrup and then we will pour it later sa egg yolk. Once ganito na, after mga 10 minutes, I think, change your whisk to paddle attachment. And then, let's add the butter. Okay? Oops. Change tayo. Ayaw magkasya. Okay. And then, let's add the butter. I'm using flecha butter. Yan. You add the butter slowly. Just mix it until smooth. Okay? Yan. Coat your meringue disc or your Sansrival yung side. Okay? Coat mo lahat ng buttercream. Manipis lang to na Sansrival ha. If you want the medyo makapal, you can double the recipe. Okay? And then guys, if you find the pistachio too mahal, you can always replace it with cashew. Okay? And then, cover natin siya with pistachio. Okay? So, I have here my toasted pistachio nuts. Yan. So, here's our pistachio Sansrival cake. Very easy to make. Easy ba? I think, yeah, it's easy. It's meringue and French buttercream. So, thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe our YouTube channel. If you have suggestion kung ano yung next gagawin ko na cake or recipes, please comment down below. Enjoy baking!